Heroku supports a bunch of different commands. In this section, we'll take a look at just two of them. So first of all, there's Heroku logs. This is a really useful command for debugging because it shows us what's going on in our application. An especially useful variation is this, Heroku logs --tail, which just waits, and if we do this, refresh, you can see that it's updating. A second useful command is Heroku rename. This changes the name from this default here to something of our choosing. But it's what's called a global namespace. It's something.herokuapp.com, so it has to be unique, which is a minor restriction. In particular, you won't be able to use this exact one. So I predict this will fail. Yes, it's already taken. It's taken by me in the last edition. So let's do Rails tutorial hello -6 for Rails 6 or 6th edition. There we go. Boom! Hello world. As you might imagine, since you don't necessarily want to run your application on something.herokuapp.com, Heroku also supports custom domains. And in fact, both learnenough.com and railstutorial.org run at Heroku. So if you're on the website right now, you are using a Heroku app. To learn how to use custom domains with Heroku, see the link in the text to the Heroku documentation.